To get the Android Emulator app and running, let's start by installing Android Studio. You can find a link to the Android Studio webpage in the description below. Go ahead and download Android Studio. And the installation process is pretty straightforward. Once that's done, open up Android Studio. And we can now set up the Android emulator from the Android Studio. In Android Studio, look for the More Actions option. From there, choose Virtual Device Manager. Click on Create Device in the top left corner. Pick one of the recommended devices. They are the ones with a Play Store icon. After selecting your device, hit Next. Download the version R by selecting it and move on to the next step. Finish things up by clicking Finish. Now, back in the Device Manager page, you will see your chosen device displayed. In my case, I've got the Pixel 6a. To bring your emulator to life, just hit the play button. That's it. Your Android emulator is good to go.